I'm taking a video for you guys. This will be the inside of the vest, which, as you can see, the vest did its job. I would highly recommend this vest to anyone. I would give it 10 stars if I could. Now, mind you, this is the damage that it did when I hit a 6-point buck. This is what's left of the buck. I am the commander of a motorcycle association called River Falls Cruising for Vets. We are with the Military Veterans Motorcycle Association. I am a United States Army combat vet.